Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's giving you on the digital display, it's giving you an F03 error and you're wondering what is this error and what do you need to do to get rid of it. And so if you've got this error, your dishwasher will stop working. If you open it, you might notice that there's water in the bottom of it. And the reason that is because this error is a drain error. So basically when it's time for the dishwasher to drain, the pump starts turning to drain the water and it gives itself a certain amount of time to drain. And if after that time is up, it still hasn't drained, it will stop working and it will give you this error. So all we need to do to get rid of this error is to figure out why it's not draining. And there's really two things that can be going on, and both of them are pretty easy to deal with just as a regular person. The first thing we want to do is come in here, down in the drain pump is down here, and you can see there's a screen down here to block food from getting sucked in. So all this stuff in here can get just clogged up with food and gunk and everything like that can keep water from getting out of the dishwasher area. So that's spot number one. And then spot number two is just behind the dishwasher, the actual hose, the drain hose that's going from the dishwasher to the drain. You just want to check that hose and make sure it's not bent or kinked or pinched anywhere. You know, if this is happening, if you just installed the dishwasher, for example, and you're getting this, it might be that you pushed the dishwasher too hard against the wall and it pinched the hose, and so the water can't get out, and then it can't drain. So if you check this, the drain pump screen filter area inside and the hose outside, you're almost certain to figure out why the dishwasher is not draining, get rid of the error, and get your dishwasher working again. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.